Hello friends of the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a very special casting from Hot Wheels, the Long Bloc, code HYW30, part of the 2025 HW Art Car Series, number 135 out of 250. In true 1/64 scale, this model combines fantasy design with a retro vibe, and it's ready to stand out in any collection. The Long Bloc is characterized by its low and stretched silhouette, with golden wheels and wood-style side panels that recall custom cars of the 1970s. Being part of the HW Art Cars line, it also carries that creative touch that makes this series so beloved among collectors. Of course, this is a fantasy casting, not a real-life car, but Hot Wheels designers drew inspiration from the exaggerated custom builds of the American car scene, especially long-bodied cruisers and wedge-shaped show cars. It's a nod to automotive creativity pushed to the extreme. Even if there's no real engine data or performance specs for the Long Bloc, its design evokes the big block era. V8s with massive displacements and custom aesthetics dominated the streets and car shows. It's an artistic interpretation of that golden age of car culture. That's what makes this casting fascinating. It's not about speed or horsepower, but about imagination. Every detail, from the roof scoop to the exaggerated proportions, turns this diecast into a statement piece. Exactly what Hot Wheels art cars are meant to be.